In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3D elements in Canva. If you've ever wanted your designs to pop with depth and dimension, this is a quick and reliable way to do it using Canva's built-in library. Start with your project open in Canva. This could be anything you're working on: a social post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or a thumbnail. With your design in front of you, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main toolbar, and among those options is the Elements button. Click Elements to open Canva's library of visual building blocks. This panel holds everything from shapes and lines to graphics, stickers, and illustrations, and it's where all the 3D assets live. Within the Elements panel, you'll notice categories that help you explore faster. Find the category labeled 3D. Depending on your screen size and recent activity, you may need to glance through the category list to spot it, but it will be there. Select 3D to switch the panel to a curated collection of three-dimensional graphics ready to drop into your design. You'll see a variety of styles: playful, realistic, minimal, glossy, so you can match the vibe of your project without hunting all over the place. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. Type a clear keyword, like 3D arrow, 3D icon, or 3D shape, to narrow the results quickly. Being specific helps the search engine surface the closest match, and you can try a couple of related terms if your first search feels too broad. Keep an eye out for any indicators about usage, such as pro badges, so you know what's available in your plan before you commit to a look. Once you've found an element you like, simply click it. Canva instantly places the 3D element into your project so you can see it in context with the rest of your design. This direct click to add flow keeps things simple and consistent, and it means you can try multiple options rapidly until you land on the one that complements your layout and brand style best. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to Elements, choose the 3D category, browse or search for what you need, and click the element you want. With just those steps, you can add depth and polish to any design and help your visuals stand out with modern, dimensional touches.